You're warm. Welcome to our class today. On the board, we have two questions to demonstrate how we can find the unknown angles in under this topic, angles. We have some questions here to find the size of the related angle in A, this, and B, this. In our previous class, we explained some of the laws surrounding what angles and how we can answer questions, how we can apply them in answering questions. Remember, I told us that watch out for our next video so that you see how we can actually apply these laws in answering questions or finding the unknown angle. So that's exactly what we'll be doing now. We have the very first question here, and I said we should find the size of the related angle in this. So if you look at what we are having here, we are looking for the value of x, angle y, and angle z. So watch now and see how we're going to do what? Apply those laws that we considered in our last class, in our last video that we uploaded to do what? To answer this. First, looking at 25x and 45, you see that what these three angles lie on a straight line. This is a straight line. And remember, one of the things we consider then says that what the sum of angles on a straight line is equals to what? You are right. You said 180 degrees. That is correct. It means that what? 25 plus x plus 45 is equals to what? 180 degrees. That is it. 180 degrees. So what do we do here? We're going to do what? We're going to add them together. 25 plus 45. We can actually add this. 25 plus 45, this will give us what? 70 plus what? S equals to what? 180 degrees. So what do I do here? I will collect what? Like terms. I will collect like terms. So x is equals to what? 180 minus what? Minus 70. So x equals 180 minus 70. This equals to what? 100 and what? 10 degrees. So that means that what? That means that x is what? 100 and what? 10 degrees. 110 degrees. Now, if I know x as 110 degrees, and then look at this here, I have this. If you look at this also, this line, this is also what? Another straight line. It's also a straight line. So if this is 110 degrees, what do you think will be y? Remember, the reason why this is because sum of what? The reason is what? It's good you always write out the reason. Sum of angles a straight on a straight line. That's how we say that 25 plus s plus 45 equals to 180 degrees. The reason is what? Sum of angles on a straight line is equals to what? 180 degrees. Now let's look at y and 45. Since this is a straight line and this is also another word, straight line. Good. If you look at y and what? Y and 45. Okay? This line here cuts across this is a transversal line, okay, cutting across this straight line we're having here now. So what do we deduce? What can we deduce from that? We can see that what? Y is equals to 45. What is the reason? Y is equals to what? 45 degrees. What is the reason? Vertically opposite, vertically what? Opposite angles are what? Vertically opposite angles are equal. We consider that last time that this y and 45 they are what? They are vertically what? Opposite. They are vertically opposite. They are what? They are equal. Now I know the value of y now. Is it possible to get the value of z? Can I get z? Yes, because take a look again. This also what? A straight line. So y and z, they are what? They are inside what? One part. So they form one angle lying what? They form what? Two angles lying what? On a straight line. So I cannot say that y plus z is equals to what? 180 degree. What is the reason? Sum of what? Angles on a straight line. So we know y to be what? 45 plus z equals to what? 180 degree. Go to the collect like terms. So z equals to what? 180 minus 45. So z is equals to what? 180 minus 45 degrees. This will give us what? 135 degrees. And that is it. So successfully find the value of what? X, Y, and Z. X is what? 110, and Y is what? 45. Then Z is what? 135 degrees. When you add 135 plus 45 degrees, it will give us what? 180 degrees. The next one here we are seeing here, we are going to look for what? A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. Now, look at this question. There's something you are seeing here. Are you seeing this sharp edge here? This, whenever you see this, it's telling us that this is what? A right angle. A right angle. And what is the sign? What is the value of this right angle is what? Is 90 degrees. It means that this is what? 90 degrees. Whenever you see something like this, either in an angle or in a straight line, you just see a sharp edge like this. Take note of it. It must be this. Okay? Something like a square. Drop there. It's telling us that this angle is what? If you see, it's different from all this. All these ones are just curved, straight curves, just curved. Okay, but this is not like that. So this is what is 90 degrees. That is the meaning of this. Okay, mathematics. So now we can easily do what? Calculate the rest. Now another thing again, it will be very easy for me to do what? To get B first. I can easily get B here. Okay, I can get B here. How? Because if you look at B and 34, they are vertically what? Opposite. They are vertically what? Opposite. Yes. So I can start from B. I can say that B is equal to 34 degree. Reason, vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles. Okay. And vertically opposite angles are what? They are equal. So that is, now if I know B, I can easily get the value of A. A plus B plus 90 is equals to what? 180. What is the reason? Angles on a straight line. This is a straight line. This is a straight line. B, 90, and A, they are all lying on this what? Straight line. And we know from one of our laws that what? Sum of angles on a straight line is equals to what? 180 degrees. So that means that what? A plus B plus 90 is equals to 180 degrees. Now I know B to be what? To be 34. So that means that A plus 34 plus 90 is equals to what? 180. So A plus 34 plus 90, this gives us 124 equals to what? 180. You collect like terms. A is equals to 180 minus 124. So A is equals to 6 degrees. So A is what? 56 degrees, and B is what? 34 degrees. Yes, and we have this to be what? To be 90 degrees. Now we can easily calculate the rest. Now look at C. C, B, and D's, they are lying also what? On a straight line. They also lying on a straight line. But apart from that, if you take a closer look at A and C, you'll find out that both of them, they also what? They are also vertically opposite. They also what? Vertically what? Opposite angles too. They are vertically what? Opposite. So I can easily say that what? A is equals to what? A is equals to C. Okay, A is equals to C. Now that I've calculated A to be this, therefore C is equals to what? 56 degrees. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are what? Are equal. If you like, you can check. Since we know the value of what? Of B to be what? 35. You know this to be 90. You can use the sum of angles on a straight line to get C. You will find out that you also arrive at what? As this answer. That is by saying C plus B plus 90 equals to what? 180 degrees. You still end up getting what? This answer. Now we are left with D now. We can easily calculate D. If you look at D also, you can see that it's like D is what? Is vertically opposite to this. But I can also calculate this D to actually find out if actually it's going to be what? 90 degrees. Look at this, is a straight line also. This is a straight line. So A, 34, and D will give us what? 180 degrees. So to get in, I can say A plus D plus 34 is equals to what? 180 degrees. What is the reason? Sum of angles on a straight on a straight line. So I know A already. A, we've calculated A to be what? 56. So 56 plus D plus 34 equals to what? 180. So D plus 56 plus 34. 56 plus 34 will give us what? 90. So that is what? 90 equals to what? 180. So D is equals to what? 180. Collect lightens minus 90. So D is equals to what? 90 degrees. So that is it. We have successfully calculated what? The size of all this angle. So I encourage you to please pick up textbook, okay, pick up past question. I assure you that question relating to this, applying these three laws, some of angles on a straight line, vertically opposite angles, some of angle at a point, question relating to them, I can assure you, if you go through this example that you have solved over and over again, you will be able to attempt those questions, and I can assure you, you will get the correct answer. If you enjoy what you have watched, we encourage you to please go to share our video and please subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification button. Once again, thank you for watching. Bye bye.